Well, good evening, everybody. Camila here. Welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be rather different. Today, I am going to be making some wax melts because, unfortunately, I broke two of my Bath&Bodyworks candles. So to prevent from throwing it away, I'm going to turn them in to wax melts. And this is 'tis the season. I'm going to turn them into wax melts and give them away as like Christmas gifts. So let's see how this turns out. So one of the things that I'm going to do is place the candle on this wax warmer just so I can loosen it up a little, and that way I can go ahead and melt it in this pot right here. I picked this pot up here right here from Walmart for $5.96. So that's the plan. And then, like I said, I'm gonna melt it in here, and then I'm gonna come over here and put these in. These are just regular ice tray molds that I picked up. I picked up 1, 2, 3 from the Dollar Tree, and then I picked up the snowman, ice or chocolate mold from Walmart. This cost $1.97, and these right here cost me $1. So also I picked up this here Crafty Candles candle mold release. So I'm gonna spray this in the mold. That way the wax will be able to release hopefully easily. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the camera. Hopefully this will focus. I'm still learning how to use this camera. I tend to use my Canon T5i the most, but I finally broke down and got the Canon G7X power shoot. But anyway, let me go ahead and set the camera down and get the wax together so I can go ahead and pour it in, melt it down and pour it in the mold. Okay, so the candle is ready to be removed out of the glass. So as you can see, I'm able to take it out the glass, and I'm gonna put it in this bag here. Now, I did see some bags at Hobby Lobby that I could put this in to melt the wax, but I didn't want to spend the money, so I figured that hopefully the Ziploc bag will work just as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and place the candle in this bag and take it over to the pot so I can put it in to go ahead and melt it. So I'm going to turn the stove on. The stove is turned on. I'm hoping this bag don't melt. Maybe I should put some water in here to prevent the bag from melting. So let me just go over to the sink. Put a little water in here. And then I'm going to put, because that's what you do when you make that rice-a-roni stuff. You just add water and then you put the bag in there. I don't know. I don't like rice, so I don't know. But I'm just assuming that it'll work the same. So I got the stove on. So we'll see how this turns out. Okay. So yeah, let's see how it turns out. So while the wax is melting, I'm gonna go ahead and spray the molds, so that way when the wax has melted, I could go ahead and put the wax in the mold. So this is my first time doing this, so we'll see how it turns out. And according to the directions, it's best spraying results obtained at room temperature. The surface must be dry and free from grease, rust, dirt, wax, and other foreign material. Use mold cleaner, spray in well ventilated, blah, 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 blah. Mold release is easily removable by washing with soap and mild detergent. So let's go ahead and this stuff kind of smells good. And I covered the counter so I don't mess up the counter. Patiently waiting for the wax to melt. By the way, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Click that gray notification bell that will alert you to any new videos that I post or aka upload. I hope you all are having a good week. Well, the week is almost over. Today is Thursday. Thank God it will be Friday tomorrow. The weekend will be here, but of course I will be working Friday and Saturday, but that is okay. Like I said, responsibilities is what helps me put these videos out for you. I do have a video that I need to get out to you, as well as this one, so please be patient with me while I get that video out to you. But I will be right back. I'm just waiting for the wax to melt so I can go ahead and pour it in the mold. And I do have another candle that I need to repurpose because the glass broke in that one as well. Well, okay, the candle in the bag didn't work, so I had to take the candle out of the bag and just put it in the pot and melt the candle in the pot. And so far it's turning out really good. So just wait a little bit longer so all of it can melt so I can put it in the molds. Okay, everybody, the wax is almost melted. Just a little bit more, and then I'll go ahead and take out the wicks. Almost. Let me get a bowl so I can put the wicks in. Okay, the wicks are done. So, and it's all melted. Okay. So this is how the wax is. It's melted. So let's go ahead and pour the wax in the molds. Hopefully this will work. So I'm making a mess. Hold on, let me put this down. Hopefully you guys can see. That didn't work. Oh my goodness, hold up people. Okay, this is the end result. I probably could have got more wax melts, but as you can see what happened, but that's okay. I still have another candle that I have to repurpose because the glass broke, but I was able to do two and a half wax melts, so we'll see how they turn out. And I want to thank you for watching this video. I will hope to see you in the next video. I will do another video on the other candle, so be on the lookout for that. But anyway, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click the gray notification bell so that way you don't miss an upload. Thank you and have a nice weekend. And this is the finished project. So I'm gonna melt this down and finish putting them in the molds there. And then also I'm going to repurpose this candle. As you can see, it is also broke as well. So I'm just going to repurpose it and put it also into a mold. So be on the lookout for that video as well. So once again, thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in the next video. Goodbye.